Are you tired of not knowing what to do with your natural hair? In today's video, I'm showing you 10 plus easy natural hairstyles you can do at home. Quick, beautiful, and perfect for any occasion. Let's get into it. Hi, my loves. Welcome back to Cassia Naturals, where we keep beauty simple, natural, and effective. If you love natural hair, skincare, and DIY beauty, don't forget to subscribe and join the family. Before we start, make sure your hair is moisturized, detangled, sectioned. This makes styling so much easier and helps your styles last longer. Style 1. Sleek low bun. This is perfect for work, church, or a clean girl look. Just smooth your hair down, secure it, and you're done. Style 2. High puff. Quick and powerful. All you need is a band and some gel. This one never fails. Style 3. Twist out. For soft, defined curls, twist your hair overnight and unravel for volume. Style 4. Half up, half down. Super cute and trendy. It gives you volume while keeping hair out of your face. Style 5. Braided crown. Elegant and royal. Perfect for events or when you want that classy look. Style 6. Two-puff style. Fun and playful. Great for casual days or when you want something different. Style 7. Flat twists. Protective and neat. You can keep this for days and still look put together. Style 8. Afro. Natural volume. Sometimes simple is best. Pick it out and let your natural beauty shine. Style 9. Side part sleek look. Add a deep side part for instant elegance. This one changes your whole low maintenance and perfect for hair growth. You can style them in so many ways. Which hairstyle was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing from you. Quick tip. Always protect your hair at night with a satin scarf or bonnet. This helps keep your styles fresh and prevents breakage. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next natural hair video.
Every night, every night, every night are we paradise, paradise seems so far away. Still I try to buy myself some time to get me to that place. All I want is you. Staying up till we want to. Tell you what, I bet that we could see it new. I wanna let you, nothing to do. Let's throw all our worries away. I know that it takes two to get the truth. Tell me, baby, what do you say? 'Cause we were just friends, and now it's something far over. And I bet that we could find a way closer. Never wanted to put all of this in your head, but I guess in the we're only friends. But I guess in the we're only friends. I just want you under the lights. I just want you when it's my time. I just want you breaking my stride. I just want you. I wanna let you, nothing to do. Let's throw all our worries away. I know that it takes two to get the truth. Tell me, baby, what do you say? 'Cause we were just friends, and now it's something far over. And I bet that we could find a way closer. Never wanted to, but all